Today we'll learn how to create an email account. First thing we want to do is open up our internet browser and go to google.com. Once we open up the Google browser, we want to do a search for Gmail. You should see a Gmail sign in and a Gmail sign up. Select the Gmail sign up and select the first option, which is create your Google account. On the Google account screen, it asks you to enter your first name and last name and your username. For your username, we would recommend something professional like your first initial and last name. That, however, may be taken, and in that case, you can add a number or a set of numbers after it. Your password needs to be 8 characters. As you can see here, iGoodParent was taken, so we'll add the number 4 afterwards, go back down to password, and it accepted it. The password needs to be 8 characters with a mixture of letters, numbers, and or symbols. And then you need to confirm the same password. If you want to verify, you can click on the little eyeball to the right of confirm, and it will actually show you your password. Once completed, you can select next. You will get a pop-up usually that says save password. If you're the only person to use the computer, you can save it. Otherwise, select never. On this screen here, this is a verification in that if you lose your password, get locked out of your account, this allows you to be able to recover that email account. So I'd recommend putting your phone number, a different email address that you may have, and your information, and then select next. This is the privacy and terms. You can read down through there, and if you do, select I agree if you accept to their terms, which then leads to your Google account homepage. Over on the right hand side with the circle and the 9 dots, that is the different apps that you have. Google Gmail, Google Meets, your calendar, your contacts, and your Google Classroom, along with many, many others. On the left-hand side, then is your actual account information, and you can scroll down through there, look at those different options that you may have. But for right now, we will continue on to the email account. So select Gmail, and this is our basic Gmail screen. We want to compose our first message. So we'll go up, we select compose, and we will send a message to ourselves, to our brand new email account. In this case, it is iGoodParent4@gmail.com. I'm going to put the subject of test and type in hello. Then move to the bottom and select send. Once that is sent, you can go up to your inbox, click on it, and your first test message should be there. You can click on that test message and it says hello. To reply to a message, simply select reply and then type in your message. I got your email. And send. Go up to the inbox, and there's your message. Now, with the messages, you have many different options. You can move it, you can snooze, you can delete it. In this case, we're going to delete. Once it's deleted, it is deleted, but it's not necessarily gone. If we scroll down, select more, and then select on trash, there's our email message. If you select it here and delete it, it is gone forever. However, if you accidentally deleted it, you can select Move To and move it back to the inbox. If we scroll back up to our inbox, select it, there's our message back. So unless you delete something twice, it is not really gone. Over on the left also, now they just added Google Meets from email, so you can either create a new meeting or join a meeting right from there. In the upper right hand corner, there's your account. It'll have your name picture on it. You can select it and log out, and now you are completely signed out. And that is all there is to creating and sending an email.